Are you tired of hidden fees eating into your investment returns? Do you dream of a platform where clarity reigns supreme and you know exactly what you're paying for? If you're an investor, whether seasoned or just starting, chances are you've asked yourself these questions. The world of online brokerage can be a minefield of confusing fee schedules, commissions, and platform charges that make it feel like you need a financial law degree just to understand what's being deducted from your hard-earned money. It's a common frustration, and one that often leads investors to seek out platforms that promise transparency and low costs. In this video, we're going to dive deep into one such platform that has garnered a lot of attention for its unique approach to investing, M1 Finance. Specifically, we're going to tackle the burning question that's on many of your minds: does M1 Finance charge commission or platform fees? For years, M1 Finance has been lauded for its commission-free investing. This was a huge selling point, especially in an era where traditional brokerages still levied hefty fees for every trade. M1 Finance stepped in with its innovative PI investing strategy, allowing users to build diversified portfolios of stocks and ETFs, and then automatically rebalance them, all without the traditional per-trade commission. It was, and still is, a game-changer for many long-term, passive investors. The idea of setting your investment strategy, funding your account, and letting M1 Finance handle the rest, without constantly worrying about commissions chipping away at your gains, was incredibly appealing. It democratized sophisticated portfolio management, making it accessible to a wider audience. But the financial landscape is constantly evolving, and so too are the fee structures of various platforms. What was true yesterday might not be true today, and what's true today might change tomorrow. This is why it's crucial to stay informed, and why we're having this conversation about M1 Finance's current fee model. So, let's get straight to the heart of it. Does M1 Finance charge commission or platform fees? The short answer, as of late 2024 and early 2025, is both a yes and a no, and it largely depends on the specifics of your account and how you use the platform. First, let's address the commission aspect. M1 Finance does not charge commissions on self-directed brokerage accounts for buying and selling stocks and ETFs. This remains a core tenet of their offering and is a significant advantage for investors looking to build and maintain diversified portfolios without incurring per-trade costs. So, if you're buying a slice of a company like Apple or an ETF like SPY, you won't see a commission fee for that transaction. This commission-free model extends to their cryptocurrency investing as well, though it's important to note that crypto transactions on M1 do have a 1% crypto spread, which is effectively a transaction fee reflected in the execution price. It's not a commission in the traditional sense, but it is a cost associated with the trade. Now, let's talk about the platform fees, because this is where things have changed and where the yes comes into play. As of May 15, 2024, M1 Finance introduced a monthly platform fee of $3 for certain clients. This was a notable shift from their previous model, which largely boasted a no-platform fee structure for most users. So, who gets charged this $3 monthly platform fee? It applies to clients who do not meet specific criteria. Essentially, if your M1 assets do not reach a minimum value of $10,000 for at least one day during each billing cycle, you will incur this $3 monthly fee. This threshold includes the aggregated settled value of all your M1 investment and earn accounts. There are also a couple of other ways to get this monthly platform fee waived. If you have an active M1 personal loan, the fee will not apply to you. Additionally, if you have an active owner's rewards card and no other M1 accounts opened, you'll also be exempt from the fee. For new M1 clients, there's a 90-day grace period after your initial email registration before the monthly fee kicks in. After this grace period, M1 will evaluate whether you've met the program requirements to waive the fee. It's also worth mentioning the IRA fee. Beginning September 1, 2024, clients with an IRA who are not already exempt or charged the platform fee will incur a monthly $3 IRA fee. This fee is also waived if you have more than $10,000 in assets on M1, have an active personal loan, or are already paying the $3 platform fee. You will only be charged a single IRA fee in a given month, regardless of the number of retirement accounts you have open. So, it's not a cumulative fee per IRA, which is good to know. Why did M1 Finance introduce this platform fee? Well, like any business, M1 needs to generate revenue to operate and continue developing its services. While they don't charge traditional commissions, they make money through other avenues. These include interest on cash balances held on the platform, interest on margin loans, M1 Borrow, payment for order flow, a small amount M1 receives for routing your trades to specific market makers, and now, this platform fee. The company has stated that the fee is meant to encourage clients to utilize the full range of products they offer and ensure sustained engagement with the platform. They emphasize that they aim to keep costs low and provide a great product at a better price, and this fee structure is part of that overall strategy. So, for many long-term investors with balances over $10,000, M1 Finance remains largely free in terms of direct platform costs and commissions. However, for newer investors or those with smaller portfolios, that $3 monthly fee, while seemingly small, can add up. Over a year, that's $36. For an account with, say, $500, that's a 7.2% annual fee, which is quite significant and can severely impact returns, especially in the early stages of investing. This is a crucial point for individuals just starting out or those with limited funds to consider. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.